Hi, this is Byron at Press Lock. So in our previous video, we were just seeing what was the most amount of layers that we could clinch. And if you look closely here, you can see a little bit of what's going on. So we started with 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, 5 layers, 6 layers, and then this was 7 layers. We tried 8, but we didn't quite get anything to happen there. What you'll notice on that first layer is there's not any real significant coining. So if we were to change that material clinch setting, or maybe even the punch and die, we might get that to form a little bit more. And as you go to the side here, you go to the right, you see that the 3 layers, we're getting a little more material, you're getting a little more formation in there. By the the 4th layer being added, you can see that's starting to look like a decent clinch. And then 5, we got a real good one there. That material is all squishing together, making a nice connect. Now, by 6, you see now we're getting so much material in there that maybe that die pocket needs to be a little deeper. And then when the 7th was added, there's no real holding in there. So we just made a quick adjustment to the press to see if maybe we can make that a little better. And I'm just going to do that now, and maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. So that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers right there. Pre-painted material. And I kind of missed it. So, because these layers aren't all the same length, so I kind of got the side of it. So that wasn't good. I'm going to kind of go back a little bit there to try and get 7 layers. So I can see that that's a little bit better, but I wouldn't say that's quite doing it. So we'll have to try another time to go with a deeper die and play with our settings a little bit. But still, that's pretty impressive to put 7 layers of material together. So something that you can keep in your back pocket when an application comes about. Anyway, thank you for watching.